nice to meet you guys. 안녕하세요. From this video, we will officially begin the Korean language class. From this one to the next minimum of 8 videos, we plan to cover Korean consonants and vowels. Today, for the first session, we will discuss how to pronounce and write the 8 basic vowels. All the materials used in this video can be downloaded through the link at the bottom of the YouTube description. It is better to get the materials before watching it. Then, let's get started. Here are 3 learning objectives for today. First, to read the 8 basic vowels with accurate pronunciation. Second, to write the vowels with the consonant iung in the correct order. Third, to read and write words composed only of basic vowels. If these objectives are achieved, you can consider mastering today's video. Here is the outline for today. Please read it. The first part is the principle of vowel creation. This is covered in the previous video, so let's deal with it briefly. Korean vowels were created by combining 3 elements in various ways: sky, human, and earth, resulting in a total of 21 characters. And also the Korean vowels are divided into 2 categories. First, the 8 vowels pronounced at once and the other 13 vowels pronounced by combining 2 vowels. Today we'll focus on the former, the 8 basic vowels. Okay, let's get down to 8 basic vowels. Pronounce the basic vowels along with me. First, a, amen. A, amen. Second, hug. Hug. O sound is similar to U in hug. Third, orange. Orange. Ood. T. Apple. Apple. Egg. Egg. Let me do it again. Listen carefully. A, o, u, I, e. Here is a question. Did you find a difference between and e? You say no, because there are no difference. They have same sounds among the modern Korean. Okay, then how to write basic vowels. There is a rule for writing basic vowels. The rule is to write from left to right and up and down. For vowels like a, o, e, where the elements sky, human, earth are combined horizontally, in this case, write the left element first, like this: a, o, e. On the other hand, for vertically arranged elements like u, start writing from the upper elements first, like this: u. Okay, then I'm gonna write and speak the vowels. If you have a pen or whatever, write down along with me. A, o, u, I, e, like this. Plus, you don't need to write like this: a, o, because this is just one of the fonts. Just write like this: a, o. The straight way looks casual and tidy. Let's move on how to pronounce exactly. Generally, a, o, u, i, e have same sounds in English. However, o, u sound needs your attention. At first, o is similar to English o sound. Here is the way to speak o sound. First, say a, and then hold your tongue and slightly round your lips like this. A, o, a, o. And u sound, there is no same sound of u in English, so you should make the u sound position. To make u sound, first say u and hold your tongue position, then make your lips widely side to side. You'll get u sound. Try with me. U, u, and if this method is not enough for you, there's an alternative. First, say g sound, g, and keep saying without interruption like g, g, like this. And then widen your lips to the side, g, g, This sound is very similar to u sound. Try it with me. G, g, again. G, g, Okay, do you get it? Now let's practice what we have learned today. First, practice writing vowels in the correct order. I'm gonna speak and write. You can pause the video and fill in the blanks. The materials can be downloaded at the link in YouTube description. Then let's go. A, o, u, I, e. Okay, fill all the blanks. Second, practice combining basic vowels with the consonant ing. As mentioned earlier, when using vowels alone, always use ing. Again, I'm gonna speak and write, and you can pause the video. Fill in all the blanks. A, o, u, I, e. Let's learn 5 words composed only of vowels. The first word is I. I means the number 2 or teeth in Korean. It also means alphabet E. Second, O. O means the number 5. Third, OE. OE means the cucumber. Fourth, A. A means the alphabet A. Fifth, I. I means a child. I'm gonna speak and write, and you pause the video and do your job. I. O. O. O-I. O-I. E-I. E-I. A-I. A-I. Fill all the blanks. Okay, the last exercise is your listening. I'll speak vowels and words, and you can write down the appropriate answer. Now let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. E. Number 3. O. Number 4. I. Number 5. O-I. O, E. Number 6. E, E. E, E. Okay, let me show you the answer. Number 1, E. Number 2, E or E. Number 3, O. Number 4, A, E. Number 5, O, E. Number 6, E, E. Have you written all the right answers? Today's learning is over. Do you remember today's learning objectives? I hope you've achieved all of them. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. 좋은 하루 되세요. Goodbye. 안녕.